Trina, the Turtle Hero by Marie Isabel Manipud. Long ago, in the jungle, there lived a turtle named Trina. Well, you know that the turtle walks slowly, and because of that, the other animals in the jungle teased her. The one who is always teasing her is Mabel the monkey, and her friends, Jay the deer and Roddy the rabbit. Hey Trina, let's race. Don't worry, I'll walk so I can catch up. Ha ha ha, Mabel said. Ha ha ha, I'm sure that Trina can still catch up even though you're walking, Roddy said. Ha ha, I know right? Jay added. Trina just walked away. She just ignores them. One day, a storm came into the jungle. All the animals in the jungle had run away, except Mabel. A huge flood came into Mabel's direction. Help! Help! Mabel cried. I can't swim, she added. Roddy heard her. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Mabel's drowning! Roddy said. Trina heard what Roddy said. She swam in Mabel's place and saved her. Thank you, Trina, Mabel said. I'm very ashamed that I'm always teasing her. And yet, you saved me, she added. That's nothing, Mabel. I'm glad that I saved you. I don't want to see that someone is in danger, Trina said. Trina? Roddy said. Yes? Trina said. We would like to apologize for what we have done to you, Jay said. Yeah, and we would like you to be our friend, Mabel said. Really? I would love to, Trina said. And from that day on, they all became best friends.